Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. And today we are going to make, ta-da, nachos! We're going to put 24 chips on the little platter, which is what is so nicely counted out there. We're going to add some refried beans, some cut up chicken, some jalapenos, some onion, olives, veggie cheese, roasted chilies, and then we'll throw some salsa on at the end. And it's pretty easy to make, pretty fast to make too. Now this is a brand new jar of my green chili salsa, which is delish by the way, and I had trouble opening it, so I got out my parents' jar opener from when I was a kid. You put it on, you make it tight, and then you hold it, and then you can open it that way. But there's also this little doodad, which you can put on top and then hold the jar down and turn it with the top. That gives you a better grasp with this top, so you get the seal broke. So I don't know, has anyone ever seen that jar opener before? So okay, so I'm gonna put this stuff together and I'll meet you back. Okay, so I've smeared the refried beans onto each chip, just a very thin layer. Then I added the chicken and jalapeno and onion and 2 olives, which in the Weight Watcher world is less than a point. And then I'm going to add veggie cheese on top, so I wanted you to see it beforehand to see what it looks like. Okay, so I've added my cheese, and I've also turned on my Foodi. I'm going to let it warm up for 2 minutes, so it's been a minute and a half. Put it on 400 on the air fry option. So when it gets down to 18 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and stick it in, and then I'm going to check it closely. Okay, it's gone 9 minutes. I'm going to look at my mixture. Okay, the problem with lactose-free cheese is it does not melt very well, but everything else looks pretty toasty up, so I'm going to take it out. Okay, so I did another batch. This is for me. I started at 9 minutes, and it's at 4.5 minutes here. And it looks delicious. So I used real cheese for myself. And it's pretty much the same trip, except I added the green chilies before I put the cheese on. Alright, I'm going to plate it up and eat it. I wanted to demonstrate the jar opener here. This is from when I was a little kid. My parents had this jar opener, and it's just 2 pieces of metal. And it goes up and down like that, and you just put it on the lid, and you grasp it, push, make it tight, push down, and then you turn. So you can break a seal with that pretty easily. I also have kind of the updated version of the jar opener. It's just this little piece of something or other. Then you open it that way. Gives you the grip you need to open hard jars.